Friends, welcome in my channel, Software. Know about your software. So first of all is, today we are gonna teach you how to make a dial-up connection in the Windows 10. Okay, so that one we are going to first network. After that, you can see here one notification. So click on it. Open network sharing. Okay, now it's gonna open. Now you can see here all options is status, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, dial-up. So we have to click on dial-up. You can see here already I done. Okay. So if you have another any which one is not working, you have to remove it. Okay. I already remove it. Done. Now we are gonna set up a new connection. Then we have to click on set up a new connection. You can see here connect to the internet. Next. Here show you the option of broadband connection. So you don't have broadband connection, you want to make the connection with mobile phone, right? So we have to show, you have to click on show connection option text this computer is not set up to you. So we would like here, and here you can see other option, dial-up. Okay, we click on this one. Here you have to put your mobile number. I will put my random number. It was there, nothing. Okay, for security purpose only. You have to put your name. I will write my software name. You have to make password. I will make password 10 thing. Randomly. Then you have to make. You have to click create. Done. We are done. Here this notification can the connection with the internet is ready to use. Okay. Thank you guys on my channel and please subscribe my channel.